Okay, hello dear friends. So we will make a mushroom dish. I turned on the fire already, and the other day I ate one mushroom dish and I found it's very good, so I want to make it. Shiitake mushroom, king trumpet mushroom, oyster mushroom, and the other mushroom I cannot even call name. So we put some ginger, already turned on the fire. Some ginger julienne will be good. Look at it. So put it in. There is nothing in it yet, no oil, no salt, no pepper, so it will not splash too much. And I will put some onion also. That should be good. Onion and ginger without anything. This way it will not splash too much. Okay, let me make sure I do not have too strong noise. Okay, so ginger already, ginger and onion, and I can turn the fire a little bit smaller so that I can have the luxury of cutting the mushroom. Okay, so now we will take care of the fire. Okay, turn the fire stronger. And time to say hello, hello. Cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Bye-bye. Salt. Ooh. Hello. Let me put the fire very slow. Bye-bye. Hello. Salt and pepper. Bye-bye. And this one has nothing. If you are here many times, you know it's only for greeting. And if you are new, this one is only for greeting. There is nothing inside. We want to be friendly and nice little young ladies. Okay, so I put in the mushroom and I keep on king trumpet. Use a pair of scissors. Make it. So the other day I made a cutting hair video, and I said use a pair of kitchen chicken scissors. I don't mean that. I mean a kitchen scissor. You know, as a Chinese, we always have some words confused. So this is one of my things. I always confuse chicken, kitchen, confuse these two. And oyster mushroom. We turn the fire strong. Now you will be eyes on oyster mushroom. See, that is quite enough. And some of these little mushroom, I don't know the name. We use half of it. How about it? So we cut out the stem, and this one put in, and the rest, this mushroom, use a scissor to cut it. It's kind of the same thing. Oh, that's a lot. I will put a little bit more cooking oil. Hello. Oh, not good. I am sorry. Maybe I will okay, now I clean up the mushroom. So this video is honestly the real time video. You see exactly how long it will take. And I will put some cooking wine. And put some green beans. I have cleaned it up. Put it in. Maybe I have put too much cooking oil. Okay. Some cooking wine. Cover it up. At the same time, I will prepare some cornstarch. I got some friends asking why I put cornstarch. You put cornstarch, it's like a gravy. It's becoming a little bit thickened, so the flavor is enveloped inside. That's why we put cornstarch. Put a bowl, a spoon. There is not much water, so put 1 little spoonful of cornstarch and water. Cold water or hot water, but not boiling. Sorry. Okay, so we put some more starch. I forgot to press the button because this happens all the time. And this is a couple of minutes later, cornstarch and everything that is perfect. I will put into a plate, then we are done. Bon appetito. So we put it into a plate. Look at it. How beautiful. Jade green and mushroom. You know, sometimes when you eat a lot of vegetable, you may want to have something with different texture. And this is why we introduce this mushroom. It brings a different texture. Not only that greenish crunchiness, but also have this chewy in it, and different mushroom have different texture, and it makes it just right. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye for and